Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Please share the joke.
What joke?
The one that you were giggling at when you picked up the phone, ma'am.
No, I just have a sunny disposition. I wasn't laughing at all.
Okay. Are these calls recorded?
Yeah.
I'm going to need you to send me the recording of the beginning of this call so that we can then ascertain whether I'm crazy or you are dishonest.
Okay, no problem. In the meantime, what can I help you with?
Okay. Slightly put off, but how are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Can we get on a video call?
What?
No, you look a bit irritated.
No, I look irritated.
You sound like you're irritated.
No, sir. It's just that you're not used to my sunny disposition.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm just about to start my show.
Okay, lovely.
And I just wanted you to give me the go-ahead then in terms of if everything is in place.
Everything seems to be perfect. You are free to move as you will.
All right. Phone's on flight mode.
Mm-hmm.
Doors are secured.
Yes, perfect.
And we've got oxygen that will fall from the roof in case of emergency.
All right. You have a lovely flight then.
Thank you so much. Oh, we forgot about the seatbelt.
I forgot.
Yes.
What about it?
It's your seatbelt, remember? You're the one who falls off chairs while laughing.
Thanks so much. We'll speak again next week.
This is crazy.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
I hate this man, Zana.
What's up, everybody?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Bling Line. This
You know
is your
what it
show
is.
for you, by you, for us also.
Yes. Show yetu. Yeah,
Show you
it's-
to song.
Yeah, it's not very often where we get to say that about things that we watch. Sithi show yetu. Sube I show yabo nansi kasimroka joke. Jalo njalo. What is your favorite soapy growing up?
How many times I have to tell you I don't have favorite things, but
Okay, but what would
Backstage.
you watch? Oh, really? Who is your favorite character? Prakop.
Tendai. Prakop was on backstage.
Prakop, why?
Why couldn't?
Backstage?
No, Prakop,
okay.
why couldn't Rhythm City?
Oh, okay. Oh, it was time to look Tendai. Tendai, yes, a car. Yeah, no.
I don't remember.
Oh.
That's the only name I could remember from that show.
Okay.
But I really loved it.
Oh, yeah.
Wena, what was yours?
For those shows of my mama. Days.
I know Tabitha. What go leave
Tabitha. Yeah,
Tabitha no Timmy.
Ngiyathakatha kulo show. Hayi wayengafuni ubamba sesibukela sana.
Andandibukela. Kwakuthakatha.
Wayengafuni mama kwa nansi wayengafuni kwa le Sabrina no Salem nakati tetayo.
But kwakuthakatha omalena babethakatha ba.
Wayengathakatha mana yena wayepsychologizwa ngunansi. Oh wayinama demon ngalo okay. Bona xa ingamehlo foni malena. Son.
Anyway, let's get into it.
No wonder sine trauma badala.
So this was from episode 100. This is the live episode that we did. If you haven't seen it yet, please go and check it out. How long is that episode? An hour and a half?
Yeah, it's about an hour and a half. Bomb 131, 134, I think.
All right. Just Tato says, Betuna attendees, y'all had one job. Upi ubawo sistali.
Ay, shiny.
Happy 100th episode to our favorite sibling. Thank you. Yes, uba usakhona, guys. We still very cordial. Siyancokola, right?
Oh, is that
yeah.
so?
Yes, that's Qabane. This is another thing. So, sick grand. And I enjoyed him as a human being.
Cha kwasuswa nje into eyi-1 etafileni.
Ewe.
Our chance of being together.
Yes.
Yasuka. Kwashiyeka i-friendship.
Yes.
Kwashiyeka she's a really cool girl.
Yes.
Kwashiyeka everything else.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
The
so I
perfect
can't.
ending
No, 100%. No.
to a perfect story.
Perfect talking stage.
So it can happen, but the things that were there in the beginning, they can still remain. Just because one thing has been taken off the table, it doesn't mean that masichisi building.
No, it really
Cha
doesn't.
kwigumbi elinye singazongena kulo.
Cha.
But ke otherwise sekhona amanye amagumbi. Wena lounge, wena bedroom, wena toilet, into
100%.
seshedini apho singayozoya khona.
Sachisa impahla zethu ngebettery acid.
Ngisakuthawa sekho matured.
No, I think so much was right.
That's
I mean, it was touch and go for a second, but
Of course.
because it's difficult to take something away, which was the
Yes.
thing you actually wanted.
Fair.
But now that you found the other things, you can go, okay, but at least it's not a full loss, you know?
Yeah. For sure.
And it's also the loss of potential. So it's not.
Yes, it's not a real thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Akho tangible. Sayithandi. Ayibambeki. Fana nawe literally.
Zuko.
Masande. Masan Deep Diwani. That could be so accurate actually. Uti, my favorite episodes is when you guys told us about Njingos, when you read a message from your dad, when Zuko was telling us about his experience with eating oysters, and when someone owed him money, I think to fix his car. Tloka, Ndwana. Oh, dope. Yo, so many episodes also.
Cute.
Yo, and they range in age. There's episodes for Ninjingosi.
No, they really do.
Timer, Zooks. Yeah. That was, yeah.
I can't
Those are
believe
my
you
favorite
remember
memories.
All of them
Yeah?
as well. I can't believe this person remembers.
Yes, yeah, but other people have got like exceptional memories.
Especially for the Ndwabazithandayo.
Yes, correct, 100%. So yeah, no. Those are definitely for me one of the some of the stories that I really, really like telling.
Same.
Give me a chance, I will also tell you that story in person. Oh, try me, please.
All right, thank you, Masande. Uthi ungasi ala ka 100 anisebahle andisanivuyeli andisalile andisencume ngani ndishiwe ibhasi umuntu ondishiwe ibhasi tenencuma
Ya kaloku lawe.
display
Ujongwe ngabantu ngoku is weird. So ukulanda between embarrassment, what the hell am I gonna do? You stuck.
What a privilege and honor it is to get to laugh, light up, and learn every single week with y'all. Thank you for keeping this alive, keeping this going, and for keeping the very essence of who you are alive from episode to episode. Community is the word y'all used often, and this is exactly what y'all have cultivated so brilliantly. Here's 100 more, Sis Tali Notamzupela, siblings is the country. Aww. Thanks, Uncle Ngasi.
Hey, thanks, Ngash, man. We really, really appreciate it. We didn't have an opening act at our 100th because bungekho nesking sakho. And yabo bucimba sawuthini.
Also, kutheni bungekho Ngasi actually as a matter of fact.
Right.
Where were you?
By the way, where were you?
Aibo.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think one of the things that you've brought up, or some of the things that you brought up there, what a privilege and honor it is to get to laugh, light up, learn. Those things don't very often come together.
No.
Or we've normalized the fact that indo yenzeka endaweni ethile nale yenzeka endaweni ethile. The fact that we can find more than one thing on this show, and that's like all of us, absolutely stunning. It is, it's one of the best things. A real explanation or a real description of the word community. That's what I think it is. You've got it.
Well, Ungasi didn't come for you for the first time in his life, so this 100th episode must mean something to him.
Yeah, absolutely. It definitely does. It definitely does. So thank you so much, Ngasi.
Thanks,
for that.
Ngasi.
Yeah, absolutely. Lubabalo ngesi uthi izani eBhayi ke futhi, and venue will be one room in Westbourne Road. Say one room pa?
I'm sure that's the name of the place.
Okay, don't worry Tali. Lamfo waseMotherwell akazokuza.
And
Zama emnyango loops. We love this bodla.
Sithi abo.
With DLA. Yeah, hey guys. See, I think we need to explain this thing. If azange sa explain it before.
I'm sure we have.
Kuziwa ngesponsors nangemali. Niyaphangela imost yenu. And niphangela ezindaweni ezingayenza ba ibe possible. Wasikhwele iflight. Siyolala Radisson Blu kweza floors phezulu. eBhayi.
Yeah.
You understand? Njalo njalo. Spend budget, uyozikhupha notya. You understand? Venue. I-venue ngokube nento ezinice ezichava kwenzela uba imali izini. Nithi xa niphuma pha, nibe ngathi yile live yokuqala sayenzayo. Where abantu bathi, silibele noba sibhatele i-350. It takes a whole lot to be number one. Look, we're definitely getting there, and it's within the plans. And yeah, I think next year must be the year for it to happen. I'm not only manifesting it and putting it in the air, but I'm putting it in your guys' hands. Over to you. Only you guys can make it happen. Just like you've made this show. Show too. You remember from the beginning of the episodes.
Yeah, I mean, that's the dream. Honestly, being in the Eastern Cape is definitely the dream, and definitely the Western Cape as well.
Correction.
What?
Plan.
That's the plan.
There we go.
Okay. The dream under the construction. So we really, really want to as go free his way. So there's a different type of trying that is needed on that.
Absolutely. But we definitely are trying to put some wheels in motion. But obviously, like everyone else, we could sure need some help. Or do with some help.
Yeah.
Thanks,
budget Aviwe Mnigina says diyingxwa yenkunkuma encinci. I'm just a teenage dirtbag.
Kutheni ncinci? Or teenager. Wow.
I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, no, that's a brilliant. Yeah, that's you singing it to your mom when she's asking you about theni and usonqene nemizanga. Pendle kanje. Khangela ba uzobetha ngefayiduke emanzi uphuma izigcala ebusweni. You know? I mean, it happens.
I guess.
Could be worse.
Thanks for, because I had asked, because we sang the song, you sang the song, then I had asked, like, can you imagine that song being sung in Vernac?
Yeah.
And so, here's the answer.
Cool. Hundreds. Thank you for that translation. Olani Chucha, Witty, congratulations, siblings the country. This episode feels like a New Year's Eve celebration. I swear you have made this year fun and quick because Galogo sihlala sileqe episodes. Imagine. Your Sana siblings rivalry is a basic need. Dog. It just like what you're saying in terms of nyakubalekile. Ixesha liyabaleka xa when you're looking forward to something.
True.
Ixesha awuliva when you're looking forward to something. That something could be a deadline. It could be, but Ixesha moves. And I think that's such a cool thing that you've said. To say that when you are looking forward to something or when you're looking at something, time moves quicker. So how do we make time move quicker? Look at something. Look forward to something. Expect something. Choose something that you like. Stick to it. Ixesha lizakhawuleza.
God, I don't agree. Ixesha liyacotha when you're looking forward to something.
Like what?
Like an episode. Buqonda ba yo Wednesday namhlanje.
Usho kanje? I don't know. I translate this as the year has gone by quickly because I'm not Tuesday, not Thursday. So therefore, yakhawuleza in that sense.
I hear that too.
Yeah.
But time can also feel slowly when you're looking forward to something.
So sithini ke ngoku manje? Uthi masithini?
Masiyeke kwa isho.
Hayi soka chin.
All right. KM T4I. Usnike 39 rand, 99 rand. Yo, 39.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully. Usnike 39 rand, 99 cents.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And then she says, "No, so funny. I'm hearing new things up.
Oh, wow. Oh, dope. So you were at the live and you actually rewatched the show as well. So glad.
Thank you for that. And gossip for a donation.
Yeah, Eva. So ke yazi thatha ithini lento le. Ithetha ba that's why thina ke ne sikhupha iPhones zethu xa sisenza izinto, iparty kamakhulu, what. Kuthi no, leave your phone because you live in the moment. Yeah, bona ke moment yaziphosa izinto.
No.
So record that content.
No.
What must we do? Don't record the content. Post was izinto.
Funini, you were there. I'll post on. You were there. You saw all your eyes and ears could take in.
No, okay. Tin okay. Tin umdani.
I'm better excitement.
No, tin umdani. Yeah, no, look. Yeah, I guess it'll always happen like that. Also, there was a lot of talking. There was 1.5 hours of talking.
Yeah. So you could never remember everything.
Yeah.
And then you mhlawumbe ubuhleka okanye uthetha nomuntu obuvuzama and you missed.
Yeah, no, for sure. No, but certainly glad you were there. Certainly glad that you also rewatched. Yeah, that's really, really cool. But yeah, I suppose it also happens even like xa ubukele something.
Yeah.
Then uphinde uyibukele, then you get something again.
100%.
And then uphinde uyibukele, then you get something again because different things speak differently to you and you hear them differently. Love, Upumi _00. Uthi, love the podcast. Yo, the foreigner question hit me. I am a Xhosa and married to a foreigner from there
Diaspora.
and raising South African children. Born in South Africa and raised in South Africa. I have also lived in his home country. In fact, that's when we started dating. I wish we could love each other. Yes, love each other as humans, Jay, without going into being friendly based on where someone is from. Fair. Look, I mean, we've got so many things that we think about. Intlanga. Some of which make us not be able to experience people. And we end up losing out. Nango omnye ufumene umtshato. Akanelanga ufumana umtshato, ufumene umtshato nabantwana.
Wabazisa up.
Nantsonke. So, and that's because you were able to just love another human being. And I'm so glad that you've managed to do that for yourself. I think it's amazing. Because ke mhlawumbe uthando bungazolufumana apha komthura no.
Oh, Thura always catching. Ko omnye uthi utataka ngumthura, she doesn't like lelo bana.
Masiyeke.
Ndizosixela
Good time. Yeah. Love that. Love the fact that you could take off those blinkers and blinders, and it effectively live your best life. So shout out to you, Noah Hasby. Hopefully, fakile ku sibling driver and ibukela no itu.
100%. Tabani Sibanda says a live Bling Line episode for the 150th episode reactions. Oh my gosh!
A live Bling Line episode for the 150th episode reaction. What does that mean?
Then they will live for the 150th episode reaction.
So whatever we'll be talking about on episode 150.
150 years.
Sends the Bling Line for that episode.
Yes.
Sends live in person. Yeah. But
it's reactions to episode 150.
Correct. So that's what I'm saying. Episode 150 must be like.
Correct.
So when the Celebrity Awards, South African Celebrity Awards,
what?
As by us. You understand?
Like, what's the
worst celebrity?
Usithukisa wena, please. Don't do that. No.
Andiyade nenhliziyo embi kangaka yazi.
Ubani? Wena?
Ewe. No, okay. Who is the friendliest?
Sobaze love.
Sayazi most funny sibukela iTV mos khona social media. You understand? Who is the most underrated? You understand? Oh, tell you. See, cast therefore a show. We pick a show, right?
And then
Yeah, city
Suits.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, we pick an American show, and then we say who would be the people.
Harvey Specter.
Yes. Oh, I'm reaching so hard.
Meghan Markle.
Yeah, you understand that? Yes. Well, Meghan Markle langangibani lapha eMzansi.
Angangu Renata Stierman.
I want to go into research because that's got Meghan Markle. Son.
I want to marry the prince.
Oh,
She was on Suits.
Oh, okay. Ngusuits lona ngamaziyo. Konto ndiyaziyo. Because ke ndiyabuza no Steerman bangibani.
Oh, so continue.
Very underprepared for this episode.
All right, cool.
Hayi sabasho la producer. At 150 sabe singabi nayo ne producer.
Oh, kuzofuneka sibe nayo.
Must be a producer man later. So
No,
sizawuba flying high. Mihle Sokupha 2055 uthi I came across a video of this lady saying kids also don't like gentle parenting because why when you nicely say guys sit on the table and eat they will continue playing, yet when you start shouting them and say I said sit on the table and eat, that's when they will go and eat. Mna ndithetha kayi-1 kuba ndimthi ela lihlo le warning. Uyatrapa no trapa le. Hayi ke ndibabhaqule umuntu because ndizuthetha kaninzi njayam. Yes, but as human beings our words zibaliwe nje base waste amagama uthetha into enye emntwini. Congratulations guys on the 100th episode. You are really healing most of us. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Yeah. Aba respond to gentle parenting abantwana because abakho gentle bona self. Yeah, understand? Oh, okay. Obethalete kaloku phone copy sene viewers.
Jangani Renata Stierman.
Sure, I've been once a picture yag. Kids are not gentle. That's why they don't do. Gentle kids deserve gentle parenting. There are gentle kids out there. And but deserve gentle parenting. But zikhona ezando kuthiwa
Njubaqa.
Yes. Yabo? Yeah.
Other
Yabo?
Other
So, wangena Mr. Puka two shoes. You understand? Wena wawubi gentle kid. Hayi ka sesithethela phansi.
So yes, I love you.
Ka socinga. Awucingi memories.
Not according to your father. No, I wasn't.
Okay. Mna nanino. Any gentle kid. Okay. Kodwa sasibethwa soyitu.
Because that's more as we do.
Ah!
Just because you're gentle doesn't mean I'm moshi.
But also, yeah, I was gentler.
Sipesihle Portia says, clock it. 100 it is, Betuna. Oh, what an episode, Ninani. I had an amazing time and funungacho to more episodes.
Let's go. Especially, I assume maybe a showing.
It sounds like it.
Yes. What an episode indeed. And another episode that was brought to everyone by you guys. Because you guys were asking the questions.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, they were asking the questions. So it was technically not bling line. Yes, but not reacting to a specific episode, reacting to any and everything. I got lost na react na nini na. Muntu babethe impukane if abesa react. Just tell kaloku.
Oh my goodness.
I was telling I got a groove back son alarm. Yeah, no. I say class. I see clockile 100. I simgile man. But yeah, let's look forward to more. Looking forward to more, definitely.
Thanks, BC.
Masi?
Pops K says, congrats on the 100 episodes, sister, no brother, we country. Your consistency has not gone unnoticed. I hope you feel the love from all of us who absolutely dig the platform you both have created and maintained with such care, and I'm sure lots of hard work. May you soar to greater heights from here, more money, more growth, more opportunities, and definitely a much greater love and appreciation for each other. Siblings are such a gift, and you've put the spotlight on it in such a beautiful way and challenged and encouraged us to do better and pour into these relationships. God bless you richly.
From your lips to God's ears.
Thank you, Babs.
Thank you so much, Babs. Yeah, a lot of what has happened for me has been unintended. We've gotten some unintended. What is the opposite of consequences? Consequences can be good. We did discuss this at some point. Consequences not always bad. It's had a lot of unintended consequences. Which, I suppose, when you are doing something with the right motive, with the right thing at the base of it, you will get all of these surprises along the way, of which we've gotten plenty. So yeah, thank you for that, and we're so grateful that we are able to share that with you guys.
Yeah,
share that guys with you. So yeah, no, shout out. Siblings are an ultimate gift. A gift, nyan. And one thing I like about that is that it doesn't necessarily even have to be blood relation or siblings. Siblings is an attitude. Siblings is a way of treating each other more than it is a way of relation. So I'm glad that we are also able to uncover that, because Denzela nabo ba sinazi terms or brother from another mother. Ninayo sister from another mother. I've never heard anyone saying this is my sister from another mother.
No.
Okay. Kombi kaloku girls kaloku one thing they know how to do. Nifuna brother.
Brothers. Where are your brothers?
Oh yes.
Thanks, Babs, for that.
No, absolutely. Luyolo Lisa Msutwana 8150 Uti, happy 100th episode, Blingies. Super proud of you guys. Love how the theme for a show that was shot 3 weeks ago goes so well with the initiative of Women for Change. Is trying to implement the universe new. The universe new.
Oh, it was purple.
It was
dressed in purple.
Purple.
All right, so Kuku organization and Women for Change that has asked us ba sifake purple profile pictures.
Who's us?
Everyone.
Okay.
For awareness, gender-based violence.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can also go to the website Women for Change and sign the petition as well. Then on the 21st of November, we'll all be dressed in black. There's a march, I think, as well.
Okay.
But yeah, profile pictures going forward from now, or as soon as you've heard it. I'm only on TikTok, so I only know it there. I don't know about the rest of the.
Kenda's born. I'm saying this because in Kenda's born and I go Instagram.
Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Everywhere then.
Profile picture.
Yeah.
Did I hear something about Pangelo? No, I could have sworn, but I've heard something about Pangelo on the 21st. Women.
Oh,
yes. Hey,
not
guys,
officially.
Whoa.
Not officially. Officially.
It's funny. Hey, I'm a him. Fema him. I can't want to really swear you.
Oh, okay. So we'll keep our ears on the ground for that, for sure.
Yeah, look, I mean, it's such a bone of contention, Manland. Yes, petition and the things, because it's like Landabesi Tedman. What do you think of the London Commission? And the question that you'll always ask yourself post that is, who went to jail? What happened? Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I just wish we could really find, and I suppose this is part of trying to find ways where we can really move a needle. And it definitely does help to sign the petitions, because it's people trying to do something.
Yeah.
So
and
that
this
should
is the
be done.
thing. Yeah, I mean, look, people have been, fighting amongst each other about it as well, going, oh, nicing bani now faka into people is zonceda bani njani. You guys are just keyboard activists doing nothing really because, whatever. But as you said, doing nothing is the worst part.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so it doesn't matter what Omnye Umtu thinks about it, because this girl was like, oh, I'll write an article after this. And it was just like, okay, article right? We can't all do something super but the people who are doing something, you can't look at them and go, you're not doing enough.
No, 100%. And I think also the danger is to think about, hey, the profile picture is outing, but we don't know how far that goes and how far that spans.
Yeah, because also a lot of people are asking, is this outing? Because people don't know, and people are explaining to them in comment sections, no, it's because of these, and people are going, oh, I didn't know. Afake naye aphinde ebuzwa ngomnye umuntu mhlambi umuntu uyagqithisa, also someone who is somebody who participates in gender-based violence. We don't know what that will do to that person. I
think the key to this whole thing is that it's done for awareness. And it has created a certain awareness, and it's still going to create more.
No, for sure. And we can never say that awareness goes without any kind of good consequence.
No, 100%. Yeah. Okay, shout out. No, thank you for that, Liolo. Appreciate it. Samkele Mangaba. Uti, I'm thoroughly enjoying this episode, even though it's on the stay soft side of the spectrum. Loving it nonetheless. You both look on point, very chatty and full of love and all. I'm not missing the Western Cape tour when it happens again. Indeed, Zuko is very encyclopedic and knowledgeable on a lot of life experiences and lessons. Stop it. In the same breath, Tali is a solid support anchor in this show, and is as goofy as she is. Sorry. There is a method to her blonde vibe.
Not my blonde vibe.
Danitanda, main. Thanks for that, Buddha. We are happy, man, that you could sit in the softness with us for a bit. Yeah.
Thanks for that, Samkele.
Shout out.
Uthi uyamkela Ndonga 4975.
Yeah.
Episode 100. Boo, 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 boo. I've watched you guys 100 times and I found a favorite, episode 22. I want to do episode 22. I listen to it almost every time I wash dishes before bed. Thank you for the good laughs and good conversations. To 1,000 more episodes. Live session ezayo. I want to be the first one to buy a ticket. What? I found myself Paramisa isandla. I'm one of the people who discovered you guys on their own. How I wish I could have flowing conversations like these with my own siblings. Hey.
You can.
Of course you can.
And you will. As long as you treat them like the boy or the girl you like. And more chances than not, it gets reciprocated. Sakubiza ngegama ke next time that tickets on sale sizathi yamkela Ndonga amatikiti ayathengiswa asizowathengisela umuntu up until uthenge wena.
So no matter where we are in the country, yamkela also
100%.
Also, where are you actually?
Yeah. So and now it's like niki banking details go ifake direct imali kwenze basiyibone.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, we'll need to go back to episode 22 and check what it was all about. I was thinking a hint chom. Poko right ungasiniki hint because sasikhona ngoku yayishoot la episode.
Chomi, so uyazifuneka sizikhumbule zo 100.
I don't know. Maybe not. But yeah, we'll definitely see you at the next one. Again, no excuses. Umhlengi Zulu uthi congratulations on 100 episodes. Azoke teenagers.
Why were you stuck on congratulations?
Send us wrong on TikTok, people pronouncing things again wrong, and then it ends up sticking in your mind. As umuntu who has been Nani from the early days, wow, I marvel at the great success and the show has been. Nindi kulisile and opened my eyes to see things in so many ways I couldn't before. It's been nothing short of amazing being a bling, and ndiyazinga ngokuba li-bling to 100 more episodes. 100 wako shota ngo 0 Buddha. Thank you so much. Excellent stuff. You know, I think it's so cool that people are able to hear things or understand things differently. And I think one of the things that definitely helps with that is being able to be watching this thing on a screen. Ubukele abantu abangakwaziyo. And sometimes bathetha into ngawe. Uyabo? And you're able to learn so much easy. Yekse, ichap itan. Hey, sanalam. Guten.
Kalong ndoyiko uzothi ba oko wena wandiyeka.
Yeah, phone
Ndinento enhloko.
Ozokuthenga ikhono kangaka bisisiqwathi 5 minutes ago. Kwesibini ngoku abenhloko. Hayi nawe kubhuka I left. So I'm going to talk so that the camera focuses on me so that we don't see what Talita is doing. But yeah, it's been nothing short of amazing, man. We've also learned so much, man. I always go back to the learning for me now. Nyani, one of the big things for me. Zilach, I really enjoy the lachs. I don't want to lie. But yeah, the learning also has been like such a beautiful big cherry on top.
Yeah. Thanks Mhlengi.
Dula namhlanje mangaqevethi ngandlela oqevetha ngayo kule episode.
Stage kule ndawo.
Okay, mistake ngabina stage.
Masixole Buru says, congratulations on episode 100 Blings. Thank you. It's actually been amazing watching you guys grow from being reserved into really outspoken beings on this podcast. And showing us alternative ways to navigate sibling experiences. Oh, it's a pleasure.
Absolutely.
I can't remember being reserved.
You know, we went like nyana wawubona ba mabanako ukuzibamba nyana.
No.
But hayi ngoku sana sana maviri akhululiwe ngoku ndangam. Indlela iyehla ngoku fonini ifake ku neutral imoto ibaleke ezweni. So yeah, that's actually quite cool. Something cool that I've also kind of noticed, which I think is really, really great. Almost like us leaning into ourselves, our real selves.
Can I tell you what episode 22 is
Yeah,
about?
please do. It's gone now.
Oh,
La, la, la. Thank you for that, Mostole Lokamo.
oh, come on. Oh, here we go. It was about traveling, how money works, splitting the bill. Yeah.
Okay.
Who pays on the first date?
Oh, fair. I remember that. I remember that episode.
I actually also remember that episode.
Yeah.
It was a good one.
Yeah, I know it was.
Uthi uratam.
Hi, the profile picture Ritam. Upete, Popeye, upete. You know, if you don't cup, yeah. Stanley Cup, let's spam.
Oh, why? What's that Chizenga? 105 Rand. That's 100 Rand for 100 episodes.
Clip abantwaneni.
Also
10,000 episodes. Rita?
Wait. Also, if my siblings were still alive, I'd start a podcast just like this. But only ours would have a segment called The Sutuness of It All. I'm watching this episode with y'all's pops, and I can't help but think if mom and dad were still here too, they were Sesotho authors and linguistic professors, and we'd absolutely have them on the show for the soulfulness of it all. Y'all are healing something in me. Love you guys.
Oh, let's go. Thank you, Rita. Yo, I be about Monday. Imagine.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
Kanenzeni man bafethu. Kanenzeni. Nize sin-host apha kule channel yethu. Umuntu enze show yakhe. Ayiva sikubeke apha. Then ke ngoku if ke ngoku get less than 100 views yakukhiqa. We'll record. You just talk.
After how long? 100 views after how long?
First episode. What do you mean? 1 week, first episode. Imagine.
You know how hard it was for us to get 100 views, bro.
You know when this channel grows, bro, when this network grows, siza-interviewa i-siblings, ezakwenza i-Suttoness of it all, ezakwenza is-vendor of it all, vendor of it all. Thought you were gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Catch me outside. How about that?
Okay.
That would be so cool. Oh, just ideas, guys. But anyways.
That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for the contribution, Ritapa.
Yes, thank you. So much. Thank you very much. Zintle Khubushe uthi, oh Putzugo, I need to hear that I'm at my lowest with mixed emotions of being rejected with interview Oko. But hearing you say there's only one me and I'm one of a kind. Come on, 1 in 7 billion boy plus 7 billion pass. I'm unique and no one has my fingerprint. And there's a reason for that, my guy. Yo, comment yakho ndiyifunde ezantsi ke ndayithetha ndingekayifundi. Went straight to my laptop to apply again because I'm one of a kind in 7 billion plus people. Thank you, brother Wakandri. Cleansy. Cleansy. There ain't never been and there'll never be one like you. Akekho fana ye. Yazi kwenza ikwarakwaraka. Into kaloku ngoma yenza ikwarakwaraka kaloku mfondini ku-DJ Natsika.
Uyakwazi ukwenza ikwarakwaraka?
I wish. Oh, I wish.
Yayiphi nini ikwarakwaraka?
Le umlenze fundi. Umlenze uyi-1.
Dancing is such a weird thing.
Le nomlenze uyi-1 for the note.
Do you think?
Oh, to sand.
Dancing is such a strange thing to
do. When you do it wrong. But when you do it right.
Yeah, but is there a wrong?
No,
it's not wrong because we have different bodies. We are 1 in 7 billion. So it's not going to look the same with everyone. The same with everyone.
Then
and I'm sure more people would look wrong doing ikwarakwaraka than right. So then what makes it wrong?
Ayibukeki xa benza aba bantu. Izanto ba ufuna benamasikizi. Ome ibhodi asaye ukuthi ayiva kaze yalo bra. Right njani lengajaji. That's what. Hello, ikwarakwaraka
is not that. It's just moving your body.
But it dance, jive was namagama for a reason to regulate.
I don't like it. No, why are we being regulated when we're trying to
jive sukopa.
The creator yako
unene. Yo, fondini. Ayikho i-drive ndakhe ndayikwazi yazi. Yeah, iroboto ndatsho nancama fondini. Asike kwabuhlungu le ndawo oginya. Singazi ezinye i-driver kube buhlungu indawo qome. I didn't even know this part was affected in this dance. You're so disrespectful to Zinhle's comment, man. Siyabulela Zinhle. No. Absolutely. I think that's one thing that I always like to say to myself, to also remind myself of whatever it is that is happening. One of one, Buddha. One of one, Dangam. The only thing that you can do is to be the best you. And isn't this guys? Fungu nozala.
Awufunganga xa ungada.
Hayi. Direkta mhlawumbe izakhe. Muncu umnu ubone sokukhohlela.
All right, SPK says, yo, we've come so far. Dijonge uzuko sana. Akokwa signs of Tina the talking down.
round, you gotta put on.
Do I tell you about no one come like good tiny cousin Katina?
Tiny the talking dummy.
Yes.
Double T.
Yes, Tina's cousin.
Tina Tiny Natalie.
I've been watching for a year now. I've discovered the pod by chance last year. Dinga Pangeli, and soon thereafter yangena ku sport yake. After that, okay, after that, Tuesday at noon became a thing. On most weeks, it was the only thing I had to look forward to. That was also the time of T's struggle with work, and her being open about it helped me a lot because I was also going through it. Thank you for sharing yourselves week after week. Oh, pleasure.
Danko.
You guys have been so sweet today.
Yeah, often in Yanyan, oh, could be sweet 100th episode, and we appreciate that, guys. It doesn't fall on deaf ears.
No.
It definitely has a place to sit, and a place that we can pull from when we are feeling however it is we're feeling and going through whatever it is that we're going through. So thanks for the free therapy, Oaks. Basically, massive shout out to you guys as well. It's been a great 100 episodes. Yes, to your guys' point, we wish for 100 more. We wish for 1,000 more. Let's put some gas behind it and see where it will take us all.
And we'll see you guys next week. See.
You know what it is.
Don't forget.
The
two. Don't forget.
Love each other. Cut!
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.